Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete comment on Instagram highlights. So if you want to delete your comment on your Instagram, here's how you can get it done. You have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Just gonna tap on it. Okay, good. Alright, so from there then you tap on your profile icon, then you tap on the 3-line button at the right top corner of the screen. From there then you tap on your activities. Then from there you tap on comments. Then from here you can see your highlight comment. Then if you want to delete any of the comments, just simply tap on it. Okay, before you tap on it, you don't have to tap on it, just tap on select. Then from here you can select any comment of your choice. You can select any comment of your choice from the highlights. Then you can just delete them right here. Just delete it, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.